Hello and welcome to Indonesia. In this video, we will guide you when you arrive at Soekarno Hatta International Airport Terminal 2. Whether this is your first time visiting Indonesia or your first international trip, don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we will show you 3 different ways to travel from the airport to the UIII dormitory. We'll explain what you need to prepare, where to go, how much it costs, and which option is best for you. Let's get started! Before you exit to the arrival hall, here's one important reminder. If you are bringing a mobile phone from overseas and plan to use an Indonesian SIM card during your stay, don't forget to register your phone email at the custom counter. You will find the email registration counter in the custom area before entering the arrival hall. The process only takes a few minutes, and completing it now can help ensure your phone works properly with Indonesian mobile network during your stay. Once you've completed the registration, you can continue the arrival hall and follow the rest of this guide. Before heading to UIII, here are a few things we recommend preparing. First, make sure you have some Indonesia rupiah, either by exchanging your currency or withdrawing cash from an ATM. Next, buy a local SIM card with an internet package. Having internet access will make it much easier to book transportation and use navigation apps. Last, save the UIII dormitory address on your phone. If you are looking for a more affordable option while still having enough space for your luggage, the airport bus is a great choice. First, head to the airport bus area located outside the arrival terminal. Depending on your terminal, you will find bus service at the designated airport transportation shelters. You can purchase the ticket at the ticket machine and pay using debit or credit card or KRIS. First, type Depok in the search bar and choose PO Hiba, as it offers service to Terminal Depok. After that, enter the number of passengers at the appropriate departure time. Then, fill in your personal information including name, email, phone number, and number of bags. After purchasing with a debit or credit card, you will receive your ticket. Once you arrive at Terminal Depok, you have 2 options to reach UIII. If you are in a group up to 3 persons and carrying several suitcases, or simply want to the easiest and most comfortable option, this is the one we recommend. Once you exit the arrival hall, walk outside for about 50 meters. You will find many online transportation services such as Gojek, Grab, Gamma, Bluebird, and others. Head to the pickup point and tell the staff that you are going to the UIII dormitory in Depok. If convenience is your priority, this is definitely the easiest way to reach UIII. If you are traveling on a budget and don't mind transferring between stations, the airport train is the most economical option. If you are arriving at Terminal 2, start taking the free skate train to the airport railway station. The skate train is easy to find. Just follow the sign that say skate train or airport train. After you see KFC, turn left and use the pedestrian crossing. Then walk straight for about 50 meters. Now turn right and continue for another 20 meters until you reach the skate train station. Once you see this gate train shelter at Terminal 2, enter the building and take the escalator upstairs. In this waiting area, you can charge your phone or simply sit and relax while waiting for the train to arrive. After you arrive at the airport railway station, just follow the instruction in the video. Purchase your airport train ticket using the ticket vending machine on site and pay using debit card, Kris, and other methods.
Dear passengers of commuter line Soekarno Hatta Airport train, this is a boarding announcement for passengers traveling on train number Kosa.
Inside the train, you can place your luggage in the designated storage area, and you are free to sit wherever you like. Between the seats, you will find a USB charging port that you can use to charge your phone. Once you arrive at Sudirman Baru Station, head upstairs and use your airport train ticket to tap out at the gate. To continue your journey by KRL or LRT, you need a multi-trip card. You can buy one at the ticket vending machine using Kris, or simply visit the ticket counter if you like to pay in cash. There is also an ATM available here if you need to withdraw cash. Once you have purchased your ticket, follow the steps shown in this video. From here, it takes approximately 15 minutes to reach the LRT station. Tap your card here to enter the KRL and LRT area. To get to Harjamukti, you can wait for the next train as shown on the display screen or transfer at Cawang station and switch platform to continue your journey to Harjamukti. After arriving at Cawang station, you can get off the train and follow the sign to transfer to the platform heading to Harjamukti. After arriving in the final station, Harjamukti, follow the sign to the exit to continue your journey. Don't forget to tap out before leaving the station. To continue your journey to the UIII dormitory, you can use an online transportation service. Staff at this booth are available to help you book a ride. At the bus stop, you can take the bis kita to UIII. If you choose to get off at Manggarai station, don't forget to tap out your ticket at the gate. Before entering the gate to continue your journey, you will need to purchase a multi-trip card from this machine. If you need any assistance, staff will be available to get you through the process. Once you have your multi-trip card, tap in at this gate and follow the instruction in the video. If you want to continue your trip using Biskita, you can buy an e-money card at this supermarket. To continue your journey to UIII, you can either take the Biskita or use an online ride service. The Biskita operates from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., although this public transportation service is currently free of charge. You will still need an e-money card to board the bus. Welcome to your new home! We hope this guide makes your first journey in Indonesia smoother and less stressful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow UIII. If you have any question before arriving, feel free to contact the Office for Student Affairs and International Service. We look forward to welcoming you to UIII.